Walls up, walls up. What's love, what's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me. Now you're rolling like walls up, walls up. What's love, what's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natea. How are you guys doing? So today I'm gonna be doing the Daisy Keech 7 days butt challenge. I'm gonna see if my butt can grow a little. So if you guys want to see, just stay tuned and the video will be coming up next. Well, I'll be doing the workout, so yeah. So guys, this is not my first time working out, and this was a little challenging, I must say. It burns. So if you're looking for a good burn, then this will be it. I had to stop and take breaks, and I exercise regularly, so you know. And right here, I'm not using any weights, so I'm just doing it with my body weight, and I was dying. I had to stop and take some breaks and then continue. But I'm telling you, this will give you a good burn if that's what you're looking for. And I actually enjoyed doing it, to be honest. It was not that difficult. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, because I don't generally do challenges per se because it's so monotonous, and I honestly cannot do the same exercise every day. So for this, I did not do this every day. I alternate the days. So yeah. But guys, again, I cannot stop talking about the burn. You guys should definitely try this challenge. It's 7 days. You can choose if you want to do it 7 days straight, but I do it every other day. So yeah, but this is a awesome challenge to try. And yeah, I won't be checking in again until day 7 because I want to bore you guys with, you know, watching me do this over and over and over again every day, all day. No, so I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do it the last time on day 7, and yeah, I'll show you guys the results if I got some butt or I didn't. I'll see you in day 7. So this is the last day of the challenge, and as I had told you guys before, I didn't want to bore y'all with this challenge in the, you know, to do it every day. So I did the first day and then the last day, and as always, my daughter she won't leave me alone, guys, so I am apologizing for that if y'all have a problem with that, but she's always with me. So yeah, there's nothing I could do to stop her from coming around. And today I am using ankle weights just to see if I can, you know, get a little bit more weight going on, a little bit more burn. Look at her, always want to be a mama. She always want to be there, y'all. She just always want to be with her mommy, so that's why she's there. So after watching this video though, I'm like, my tummy looks so big, but it's just bloated. When it comes to being bloated, I cannot prevent that. Nothing that I do. So this is in the evening. I just came home from work and decided that, hey, I'm just gonna finish this up. So yeah, guys, I was still dying at day 7. Dying, I tell you. Right, so with that, so this is day 7 of my 7-day bubble butt challenge. Honestly, this challenge was a little bit hard. It was, I must confess. Say hi, Zay. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Alright, so I have never done a challenge for 7 days straight, really. When it comes to butt workout, yes, yeah. here, call that. When it comes to butt workouts, guys, I normally mix them, do different ones on different days, but I decided that I was going to try to see if I could grow my butt in 7 days. So I did not do this challenge 7 consecutive days, okay? So I did it every other day until I got to 7 days, because with exercise, if y'all don't know, it's necessary for you to rest your muscles. That's how they grow, when you rest them. If you train the same muscle every day, you will have an overuse of these muscles and they will not grow. In most cases, a lot of people tend to lose muscle mass, or their muscles shrink instead of them growing. So I decided that I wasn't going to do this every day straight. I'm going to do it every other day. So what I did do, I used some weights. So I use these ankle weights each time. Well, sometimes, because honestly guys, without the ankle weights, the exercises are fire. My butt was on fire. But because I wanted extra growth and I was used to working out, I decided that I was going to use my ankle weights. You can get these on Amazon. These are 5 pounds ankle weights, so I will link some below, but I got these in Jamaica. If you're familiar with Mega Mart, if you're from Jamaica, I bought these at Mega Mart. So yeah, and these are very affordable. I think I paid $3,500 for the pair. Right, so I use those. In terms of diet, did I do anything differently than I normally do? Not really. I eat the same food. I will insert some of the foods that I ate. You know, nothing fancy, okay? But I will share those. And what else did I do? I did drink a lot of water, and I did take protein powder, which I normally do. What I did do though is that I stopped my regular exercises that I would do and just did this. So yeah, as I said, the exercises were killer. With or without weights, you will feel them. It will probably take a longer time for you to see results, because listen, 7 days is a short time for your butt to grow, okay? Everything takes time, so don't rush it. If you do this exercise over a couple of months, you should be fine. Don't rush it, okay guys? So yeah, so you want to see if my butt grew? I want to see if my butt grew, so let's see. So this is what my butt is looking like from the back, from the side, from the other side. And you guys remember what my butt looked like before. So yeah, we'll decide if the butt grew. Did I see results or not? So y'all let me know. Let me know in the comments if you see any growth or it's the same. If there's none, I can understand, because as I said, it takes time for your butt to grow. Standing up straight, that's what it's look like. Well, that's what it's looking like when I stand up straight. You know, if I decide to you know, that's what it looks like. So we'll see. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for working out with me. So I hope you like it. Guys, I'm trying out a new camera here, so let me know what you guys think about that also. And I'm about to go do my abs now and work on this. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. And if there is any other challenge, workout challenge you guys want to see me try, leave that down below. And yeah, I'll leave the link to the video that I used, or the challenge that I did, in the description box. So if you guys are interested in trying it, you can go ahead and do so. Alright guys, bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to be the most authentic you.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually